Right. The second part of this video is to identify the signal strength of every network around you. So, but in this video, I'm going to use a mobile phone. I have this special app here, which name is Wi-Fi Analyzer. You can just go to your Play Store, type Wi-Fi Analyzer, then search for it. I'm going to open it. Then scroll down to this one. You can see this one here. Okay, let me show you. So use this one here. That is best for me at this moment. Okay. All right. So let me open it. Then let it open. All right. Now you can see the list of all networks around me. Their signal strength. Okay. I have my router, which is TP-Link, and I see how fast the network is, and you can see the channel number, a lot of information about this network, the frequency. Okay. All right, so now let me go to graph. Then you can see the signal strength, okay, and the IP address of my router, okay, and time graph. So this is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Hold on.